Climb up the tree, little squirrel, climb up now. Climb up the tree, little squirrel, hurry, climb up now. Little squirrel, run back home so fast. T-Rex is coming, T-Rex is coming. Go inside the barn, little cow, go inside now. Go inside the barn, little cow, hurry, go inside now. Little cow, run back home so fast. Triceratops coming, Triceratops coming. Run really fast, little goat, run so fast. Run really fast, little goat, hurry, run so fast. Little goat, run back home so fast. Spinosaurus coming, Spinosaurus coming. Go back home now, little child, go back home. Go back home now, little child, hurry, go back home. Little child, run back home so fast. Pterodactyl flying, parents are waiting, safe and sound. Little squirrel smiles, big T-Rex walks away slowly. Little cow is safe inside. Triceratops goes the other way. Little goat reaches home. Spinosaurus swims in river. Parents say you are safe. Pterodactyl flies across the sky. Good job, everyone, stay safe. Little squirrel feels happy now. Cow is safely inside. Goat relaxes at home. T-Rex is calm and slow. Triceratops eats green leaves. Spinosaurus enjoys the water, flying high in the sky. Good night, everyone. Always go home and stay safe. Everyone is safe and happy. Stay safe. See you next time.